Welcome to my honest review of Keelo, a fitness website and app designed for high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and strength-based workouts. Keelo has gained attention for its comprehensive approach to fitness, offering structured workout plans, an intuitive design, and options suitable for everyone, from beginners to experienced athletes. In this video, I'll take you through the key features of the platform and give you an in-depth look at how it works, what it offers, and whether it lives up to the hype. Keelo's homepage greets you with a clean and user-friendly layout, designed to make navigation easy. At the core of the platform is its focus on HIIT and strength training, which is clearly emphasized through its workout builder. Once you sign up, Keelo asks about your fitness goals, current experience level, and available equipment. It then tailors workout plans based on your input, providing a personalized training experience. One standout feature is Keelo's detailed exercise library. Every movement is accompanied by high-quality video demonstrations and step-by-step instructions, ensuring proper form and safety. The app also offers an impressive level of customization, allowing users to adjust workout intensity, duration, and focus areas. Another useful feature is the integration of progress tracking. Keelo lets you log your workouts, monitor performance metrics, and visualize your fitness improvements over time. This can be particularly motivating for users who thrive on data-driven feedback. Keelo shines with its integration of functional fitness concepts, combining cardio, strength, and conditioning into cohesive routines. This approach makes it suitable for people looking to improve overall fitness rather than focusing on just one area. The app's built-in AI suggests recovery days and adjusts your training volume based on performance, which can be a game changer for avoiding overtraining. However, there are a few downsides worth mentioning. Keelo operates on a subscription model, which may not suit everyone's budget. Some users might find the limited free features restrictive compared to other apps. Additionally, while the exercise library is extensive, the app's interface can feel slightly overwhelming at first, especially for beginners unfamiliar with fitness terminology. Overall, Keelo is a powerful tool for anyone serious about improving their fitness with structured, science-based training methods. The app stands out for its personalized approach and well-designed workouts, though its premium subscription and learning curve might not appeal to everyone. If you're considering trying Keelo, this video will give you a clear idea of what to expect, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your fitness journey. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to support more honest reviews like this one.